How to replace the sprinkler valve solenoid. Your lawn's sprinkler system is a crucial part of keeping your lawn beautiful and healthy. Throughout the growing season, if you notice your sprinkler system is missing spots on the lawn or the lawn does not look as healthy in a particular spot, a damaged or clogged sprinkler valve solenoid could be to blame. The sprinkler valve solenoid is the part of the sprinkler system that distributes the water to the lawn. When the solenoid becomes damaged, the water will back up in the pipes, unable to reach the lawn. It's important to replace a damaged valve solenoid to ensure that your lawn stays beautiful and that more damage to your system does not occur. Things you will need: replacement sprinkler valve solenoid. Turn off the power to the sprinkler system. This will prevent electrical shock while you're working on the valve solenoids. Disconnect the water supply to the sprinkler by turning off the water supply. This is crucial to prevent buildup of water pressure within the system and possible damage to the system. Locate the sprinkler valve solenoid that is damaged. You can identify the solenoid as a thin cylinder with a wire hanging from each end. Remove the solenoid from the sprinkler head by twisting it counterclockwise until it springs free. The valve solenoid and sprinkler head are held together by a spring mechanism. Remove any dirt or debris within the valve housing. This will avoid damage to the new solenoid. Insert the replacement valve solenoid into the sprinkler head. Push the solenoid down while twisting clockwise. The solenoid will lock into place. Repeat steps 3, 4 and 5 for any other sprinkler valve solenoids within your system. Once you're finished with all maintenance, restore power to the sprinkler system and turn the water supply back on.